Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, wherever you are. Whether they are foreign, nearing, yard, greetings. This is Miss Pats coming to you again with our little idea and solution talk with Give Me Back My Sweet Sweet Jamaica. So today we want to talk about crime. That's the topic, crime. Now this is going to be a 5-part series, so we're going to do the first episode right now, and then in a couple days you get the other, part 2, 3, so on and so forth. So I want everybody to tune into this. As we mentioned before, you can start listen to this at age 6 to 106. That is how we want it. Want everybody to tune in. I want you guys to really listen, subscribe, tell your friends about everything and all of that, because as we mentioned also is we all have to work together, because we have to get back with sweet Jamaica. Can't leave up this thing to the gunman them, because it's like them want you give them the rein for them do anything them want. And I know so I go, because this place is too nice for really make them mash it up, because the only way we can lose Jamaica, is through crime, and not through nothing else, or just through crime. So we want to talk how we go and work with it, and what we don't do about it, how we can help, me always try to throw out little ideas and solution, and you can run with it, everybody, people can talk about it and so on and so forth. And we always remember that we have to put this in our head. We make it sound as if the gunman are alien them to Jamaica. No. Our brother, we nephew them and all of that. So we have to go deal with the situation. I don't know if you never take a good look at some pictures of Jamaica and see how beautiful it is. I mean, take a look at our falls and our beaches. It's so nice. So I don't know why we then choose to mash it up. Why them a boy just decide say this is what them don't do. I don't even understand why they even bother with it, because guess what? It not work out, boss. It not work out, because I was not kill people, so I want to do more than one killing. I'm not going on the wanted list, so I just want to don't give up on no life. It don't make no sense to the company's hurt then if I sound just want to live. You can't behave like that. You have to go figure out something different, because people talk about the crime get better. Like bullshit. That's just bold. It's not true. What it is, certain parish made up on a down low while another one get hot. And then he just move on, and so he up and down with different parish. So that's what it is. Montego may get a little calm down. Part of Kingston get red hot. Then Montego get hot again. St. Andrew. That is what it is. And these days is like a wipeout. The boy them they go on with it is a family wipeout. So me not even know. Me not even understand it. But most of all, I want to talk about the mothers them. Because a lot of uno know say uno boy them a murderer, and uno they pretend like say uno no know. Uno no feel shame say this a come out of uno cut. That them the kind of boy they uno give birth to. Uno no feel shame. Uno have the upper hand of them a boy more than papa. Uno have the upper hand more than them papa. And uno can do something about it. Uno can call no boy them man and say, look man, enough is enough. We can't take this no more. We don't need to do that. We can't treat it like say them not somebody pitney. Them are somebody pitney. But some of uno mother, uno damn wicked. Uno wicked. Uno know say uno boy wicked. And uno know say them a murderer. Uno know say them a rapist. Them a thief. And then uno they go and like say uno have saint. Them a saint. That me not understand. Me not understand that the part there. Them no know saint. I don't know that. For instance, say your son in go school and in done school, you can barely read and write to write it. You don't know that. You don't know say you don't have no education. You don't know say you never work for him barn. Yet, he come visit you. And he give you one bag and say, Mama, this a for you. And you take care, you look, you say, I'm on you there. Lord, thank you, my son. Thank you, my son. Me don't know what me da do without you. You know what you da do without him. You da live without him because you know so that a dirty money. Have you ever tried to figure out, say, I wonder where he get this money. Who him kill and take where this from? And say, son, me no want it. Me no want this money because that a dirty money. And then you dey put up your hand and they tell God for bless him. Bless who? Bless him for what? For taking people's life? Come on, man. That no sound good. That no sound good none at all. That no sound good. We just can't have things that go like that. We just can't have things that go like that. It's like the crime is at a stage where it mixes up with anger too. It's a lot of anger in it because it's like, you know, them farm, them gang, this a one I may not do what this a one I want, and I just saw them will turn around and kill some member of one family or them kind of way. Them not sitting there no nice, man. You know, nice at all, and we have to do something about it. We have to do something about it. Mothers, please, call in your boy them, rein them in. You can do it. You have the power. You have it over them father because some of them don't even know them papa. But them know uno. So do something about it. And you know something? Me want to address some of them people that were there abroad. While they send down the gun them in the barrel. And throw the gun them a bottom at the barrel, and then load up it with salt, fish and flour and sugar and tin mackerel and sardine, and no feel bad. No feel bad. The America, England and Canada. And they show up on yourself so a Jamaican. Which part of a Jamaican? The help. The help for destroy. Tell me now. Please tell me how you feel about that. That you are part of the problem. You are part of the problem. You not help with the solution. You just make things worse. You not feel shame. You not feel shame. See that you do. They lick on your chest. Me a Jamaican. Why me a Jamaican? No, you're not. And you're not proud of your country. And you don't care. The fact that you can think to send gun a yard, to kill off people, you're worse than the person who they pull the trigger to rat it. Shame on you. Shame on you. And some of you shouldn't be America. As a matter of fact, some of you should be in prison for life. No get to see daylight again. No send out a door to get fresh air. Because that's a wickedness, so no love no country. Shameful, man. And the thing about it too, you see a lot of bad boy, are all idiot. Because, for instance, decide, say, boy, me want to lead a gang and me be responsible for my community. Who asks you to do that? The people in the community say, boy, we want a leader. Nobody no asks no to be a leader. And what who they lead? Tell me what they lead. Tell me what they lead. Because nobody now get nothing out of it. Nothing uplifting for the younger kids. So no community no asks for no leader and no done man. They never ask. So me no know how you take up this. I mean, if you no make a little money, whatever thing you do, and make money. What the first thing you do? You buy a gun. What a thing when you're illiterate to write to judge. That's something else. There are other means and ways to live higher. You not have to murder people. That they play Jamaica left, right and center. You know much friends and family have their brother and them afraid to come home and me have to tell them to cut the crap out. Then they're dead. People don't kill them, gunman don't kill them. And me have to constantly assure them say that is just bull crap. I'm here. Me dead? But now make it better for the people. A lot of Jamaicans there abroad want to come home to even start a business and live, But then they choose elsewhere to go other country because of dirty boy. Uno can't fire, dash for the iron them man, just fling them away. Dash them away because he not do nothing good. And hear the deal. Here how uno not even know what uno they do. Or uno not think. You might be age 17, 18, because the most of uno start young. Let me tell you something, boss. You see, if you're on the wanted list, your life shorten. And you see, if you're on the most wanted list, it even shorter. You're not going to live to see age 25. It is not going to happen. It will never happen. So you cannot do everything you want to do. As long as you're on the most wanted list or the wanted list, you they go dead. You are going to die. Is that the life you compare her to live? That is how much you want to live. That's a short life. You wouldn't want to offer something to yourself, your community, your family, your pitney them. For instance, think of it. Let's say you're in your early 20s and you end up where all of one little youth already and all of that, but you're pitney young. And police clap you away. You know how difficult that is going to be for your kid to grow up, say, boy, my father dead because he was a murderer. Have you ever think about that, brother? The picture is bigger than what you think. The picture bigger than you the fire gun if you think you're bad. The picture bigger than that. Think about your youth, them. Think how you would have loved to see them grow up. There has got to be a better way, boss. The crime can't work, it can't work, it can't work, it can't work. It just can't work. Because here's the other thing. Everybody want to get rich. But I know so life set up. Life never went set up for everybody be rich, Because you see they get rich fast. It name dead fast too. Cause so you get rich fast, I say you don't dead fast. So what you think about that? When you not gonna learn a trade, boss? When you not gonna learn a trade? So you can help out yourself, your family, and your community. You can't do that, And there is another part of the story where you have some little girl who want the thief for and kill for. And then little girl they call themselves Dolly. Boss, you really want to kill somebody and thief? Forget your life short and feet, them the little girl they were called Dolly. And uno girl, what make them the man they go thief uno and murder for uno? Uno feel good about it? You think say when them thief money or then kill somebody and take away them money and then wear there and then come give uno some money for buy some like a dirty piece of wig and uno get to no nail done and the false eyelash. Let me tell you something. What uno not realize? You see all the dirty wig them uno they wear upon their head? A pure chemical. And it's silently they kill the whole of uno. That uno no know. If they kill uno don't even know. If they kill uno one by one, uno have all kind of sickness that take over uno body and uno not realize. You know, see when time uno wear the wig go off and after they crack uno head. And beat up uno head when uno no want nobody if you mess up uno ear and they beat up uno head. Never think about them sitting there. No, think about them sitting there. When time uno have them nails and them long punya looking kind of nails what uno they wear. How uno got toilet? How uno clean uno ass? How you guys clean your ass is what me da like for know. And you really feel good for them with a man where they murder people? Uno nothing but a disgrace to the country. Total disgrace. Total disgrace. Because what uno they do, it no call for. Uno just the mash up with sweet, sweet Jamaica. And shorten uno life. Uno just the waste time and waste uno life. I really that uno really want. Uno don't want anything else better. You know, uno have to realize say Jamaica don't have no war, you know. We don't have no war. We don't have nobody they invade we. We say boy, uno they defend we. There's no war. We don't have no aliens there. I just uno they fight each other and make the whole of we look like an idiot. And so me go back to uno mothers. Uno know how uno son tan. And uno have a thing where uno they do as mothers. When the police come for uno son and the police get them, police will come and maybe clap him when uno start to bawl. He ain't do nothing and he ain't have no gun on him, so uno shouldn't went kill him. Well, at the moment when the police come for him, he never have no gun on him, maybe. But you ever think about how much people him clap with? How much people in clap with last week, the week before, the month before, the month before that? A whole heap of people. The only difference with that, you know, is that him clap with a whole heap of people. But him are just the only person the police come and clap with. And who know they ball. Who know not ball because the police take him life, you know. Who no ball because who no now go get no more thief in money. That is what it's all about. That is what it's all about. And then, uno mama and girlfriend, uno so brazen to rotted, uno brazen bad. When time your son or your gunman go kill somebody and do him robbery and all of that, and you know say that person that was dead and your son kill that person there. And uno brazen enough, they find uno self at the night. Boy, me they tell us say uno are the best. Uno brazen enough figure at the night. And uno go to the mourn with the people, knowing for true and in fact, are your son kill the other woman, their son. And no did they, oh, but I'm sorry for none of that. You know, wicked. You know, wicked bad. The other thing me look into and me just laugh at it, you know, because we grew up and I hear this thing, but it's not true. Not then you end up, you know. Not that thing, not then you end up. Because if not, when then you end up, you know. You see, when you go at the night, I want to get the food for them, especially if they make all soup, I want to get the hot soup. Wait, that dead somebody just turn around and just dash that pan on your chest, burn you up, lick out the food out of your mouth, drop you on the ground, and kill you right there. So. But nothing then end up because if nothing goes so, things like that would happen. But as me say, we're not brazen. But it can't continue forever. Something has to change. Something has to change. So, me they call upon the auntie them. Call on a nephew and talk to them. Tell them, say, what them they do really they affect the family. Them need to stop it. Them need to drop the iron. Forget that. Them do enough. Enough is enough. Them need to stop. Call them and talk to them. Uncles, call your nephew and talk to him. Tell him there has got to be a better way. Because him can't continue to do this. It really they affect the family. Tell him that. Tell him enough is enough. Him need to stop because sooner or later him don't get dropped. Because him can't they kill everybody and him not dead one day. If that's why I'm thinking not go happen. So call him up. Brother, call upon your bigger brother or your littler brother and tell him, say, enough is enough. Drop the dirty piece of iron. It now bring him nothing good in his life. Him need to go learn a trade. Him need to stop. Enough. It not necessary no more. So if he went kill few people already, so be it. If he really plan to go kill some people, no bother with it. Change him life and move forward. Because this is not the way he wants to live his life. Because this way is just a short-lived life. But if him drop the iron and change in life, he can live to see many, many, many years. Live to be a old man. Live to have grandchildren, maybe great-grandchildren. But if him don't continue upon the killing, it not gonna work. It not gonna work. And the thing again, is that me laugh sometimes about it because them think them so bad. And what me want to understand, since as you know so bad, why not go down to one of the police station and call out the police them and say, Bossy, hey, me have some high power weapon here, me not afraid of you. No, come out the door here, man, what we deal with it. What we deal with it, man. But we see who better than the other. And that's enough to do it. Because the mere fact say you shoot somebody and get up there run, it means say you do something wrong. What you there run for? You not fi run. You not fi run from the police. Have a match with them, man. Have a shootout match. That's what you need to do. Don't run. You can't have high power weapon and say you're a bad man and they run. Where the run go? You must stand up to the heat. And you say you're bad and you say you're a gunman and you say you're a murderer. Stand up to it, Aya. Now run. Because that is weakness. And that also they tell me say why they do wrong. And you know say wrong. And you know say you're not going to live. You know say the boy them they drop like fly. The police them what them name? That squad? Them not have no care and love. Them just come for kill you know. Pray you know out. Them not care. A whole heap of them are gunman themselves anyways. But there's got to be a better way. You can do it. There's got to be a better way. Somebody asks in order for we get back with sweet, sweet Jamaica, drop on no iron, boss. Drop on no iron. Just drop it. Just let us work on a better Jamaica. We are a small country. Look where they rate we in the world with murder. We in the top 10 most murderous country in the world. In the world, look how we little. We have one little dot on the map. And we fall in the top 10 most murderous country in the world. Who no shame? Mama, what give birth to them a boy? Who no shame? Who no look pa no belly, who no feel fi plit it? Who no cry, who no look pa ni and say, God, I hold them and sit there and come out of my gut. I mean, it's not all I know. But those who have God boy as son, who no must can do something about it. Look here. Me a boy pitney too, But for them little, me tell them, say certain things me not go put up with. Me always tell me son them, say, look here, you say if you no rape nobody, if you no rape no girl, I done with you now, because guess what? When you rape a girl, I kill her, no kill her. She dead. She cannot function again. And me not go be part of that. We no longer related. And me tell them if you no take up gun and fire kill nobody, me, personally, they call the police pan uno. Me tell them that. So them the game, the campaign at my house never did and cannot happen. Because guess what? What come out of my belly, me not afraid of it. And that is where the thing is. Uno give them a boy a control because, part of it is no father not the boat. So what uno do? Uno give them reign, say them a king. So them feel big. Have to go like that. Because put them nowhere. Why would you want to have unwanted funerals? People can't afford money to buy food. You don't have no money to buy food. But you constantly have to bury these dirty boy. Come on, man. We have to do better than that. So they call up again for uno they are foreign. Uno fi stop it. Stop send these guns to Jamaica. And as to uno people what they hire hitman. Uno wicked. Me no know how uno sleep. How uno sleep? The gunman also. How the hell uno sleep? How uno sleep at night? And even the night they said they want to kill this body. How uno sleep like the night then? Boy, uno brave as hell. Uno brave. It is so sad. It is so sad that we've been in this situation. It just plagued with for years and it not get better. It is not getting better. So, me they call also, the people in the community, the church, wanna put together and help. We don't need government because the guys who are gunmen, they are not aliens. Somebody know them and somebody pitney. So that's why I say call in all of the family. Wanna work on it. That is the best mate. That's the solution we have. And mostly the mothers, just call upon the son. And fathers, those who are a part of their lives, do. Call the boy them man and tell them. Because I don't know so they kill people. Tell them it's enough. Drop the iron. There has got to be a better way. So as I said before, this is a five-part series. And I hope a lot of you will listen to this. That including the gunman them and who me want to listen to it. I hope you can see where they come from. Get an understanding of what they do. Because I think you just depend on the road and you don't know what they do. And it's gonna be such a waste to know. If you get the chance to live long and you look back, you're gonna be sorry. And you may end up taking your life when you don't have to do that because you can make changes now and have a better life for yourself. And if you have a kid or kids, for your kids and for your family. So with that being said, I want to know what good. Take care of yourself. And my spots will catch you on episode 2. So right now, my spot is out.